What's up, guys? Master Beetle here with
Yuki XD777, and I'm playing Kagero, and yeah!
Game 3 against Deletors. Got him. He got me game 1 with the Waterfall. Yeah. Got him game 2
with the double restand,
double given,
crap, shenanigan, whatever.
Even if he healed the double given too good.
Yo, I'm ready to Waterfall. Because what else is there in life but to Waterfall? Redrawing 3.
Redrawing 1.
Wow, it's the first time I've seen that card literally all day. And it's a 4-up in the deck. Oh, it's not the first time I've seen it today. It's the first time I've seen it in a while. By the way, be ready guys, because we're going to meet up for another video making session. And that time you're going to get to see Tachi Kaze and Dimension Police from me.
You work tomorrow?
No.
Me neither. Alright then, tomorrow.
Sounds crispy.
Want to just do it at your place then?
Sure. We need to wait till 4 o'clock for them to come in.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said let me just meet you at your place, and then we could do the videos over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we can have some Ryan play testing Grand Blue as well.
Sure. You want to go first?
Yeah. I can go first.
Going first isn't even competitive. Let's go.
Orino time. Doro. And like every game, it begins with the embodiment of armor. Bar. Pass turn.
Draw.
Has there been a game where I wrote anybody else? Great one. I think Bar is just my avatar.
Draw.
Is Jirga your avatar?
When I want to damage, not sure.
No guard.
Oh, cool. A critical trigger. Damn. Do I want to damage deny? Do I want to damage deny or do I want to push? Actually, he'll benefit too much. Go ahead. Comment down below what you would have done. Would you have given it all to Vanguard or no?
Alright, Nahalem. Nahalem attacks the Vanguard. Nahalem. Draw trigger. Draw.
Draw.
Right. Yo, Misaki, is this Misaki? No, this is Kamui. No card.
Draw trigger. Power here. Draw. Skill. Since it hit. Draw card. Nice. 20.
Oh, recover 1.
Good enough. The leaders come in.
GS says let's go, baby.
Let's see here. See, like I did do the right play, guys, because look what he had.
Retreat.
In his hand. Look what he had, the freaking grade 2 game for days. So like he would have just rode freaking Berserk and just like plussed. So that's why I did what I did. And then he could have just killed Gaon. So I did what I did, guys. Again, comment down below what you would have done. That's what I did. Let me know if it was a good play or not. If you're up for that.
Alright.
You're removing those 2 cards from the game. Gets 1 force marker.
Call.
Ooh.
23 to the Vanguard.
23 to my Vanguard. No guard.
Wow.
Damage.
21 to the Vanguard.
No guard.
Skill of Spillover Dragon. Retreat. Skill of Airmo. Retreat. Go.
Draw. Rad. Docking Deleter Greyon.
Docking delete. Delete.
And Elro. Skill.
El.
So +1. Get the boy Alba.
Dude, those cards are so good. What the
Elro and Alba, yeah, they really are. I'm thinking of bumping them up to 4 actually.
They're so free.
In this version of the deck, yeah. Delete your Vanguard.
No!
23.
No guard.
First check. Draw trigger. Give power to Elro. Draw a card. Second check. Heal trigger.
Oh god.
Recover 1. I'm gonna give power to Alba.
Draw trigger. Draw. Power to Vanguard.
20. Alright. 24. Rad's Blaster Blade. Bunchi! Blaster Blade! Oh boy, combo.
Retreat.
Sure.
$13.
13.
No, it's not 13. You have to have more of your cards than you. I'm actually just gonna swing Vanguard then. 10 to Vanguard.
10 to Vanguard. No guard.
Oh my god.
Should have just swung at the... What you should have done was, if you were aiming to give me a damage, you should have swung Vanguard to rear guard and not to Vanguard. But this is also another play. You'd be like, oh, damage restrict.
That too. Misplays, or are they smart plays? You never know. Well, you should know, but like, hey. I'm extremely tired. I've been using my brain too much today.
I'm not deleted anymore.
That's good. Good thing I can play Kagero and not have to think too much.
Hello, it's me.
Shut up.
Cool.
Alright,
+4,
I gotta say, not being deleted feels really good.
Only commit 1 card to get 3. Busted. 23. I gotta say, it feels really good to be at 1 damage against Waterfall.
Oh boy. Oh Lord, he coming.
First check. Completed. Everything negated. Second check. Got it.
Where are my grade 3?
I'm sorry, were you trying to play the game?
Kagero, please. I wanted to play this game. What am I doing? Being stupid, that's what I'm doing. Retreat. Retreat. Is the Doga in the background? Vanguard.
23.
Yep.
Counterplays.
Oh, I should have retired that one. Vanguard.
No guard.
Steel trigger. Power to Berserk Dragon. Yes! Attack the Vanguard.
How much?
31.
31. Damn, that's so cheap. I'm tempted to just guard that. But I want to kill some stuff, so I'm not going to guard it. My turn. Still draw.
I feel like you're acting like this because you're like red music. Red music.
Force marker on the Vanguard. Skill. On ride. See here. Banish delete. Delete your Vanguard.
I have another waterfall in my hand to get over that trick.
Call Cosmo.
Is calling a perfect guard?
Call Jirga. Jirga skill. Retreat. Banish delete the column.
Oof.
Call Alba.
That's a lot of unfortunate events.
Call Gaon. I mean 33. Double critical.
No guard.
Twin drive. First check. Heal trigger.
No way!
Power to Alba. Recover 1 damage. Second check. Critical trigger.
Oh my god.
Crit to Vanguard. Power to Gaon.
No trigger. No trigger. Critical trigger. Everything to the Vanguard. Guard.
25. Gaon skill. Banish delete. And I discard a card from my hand to draw a card. This is what happens when you commit against Deletors.
Dragonic Waterfall. Retreat. I call Dragonic Overlord. Plus 10k. 42, 43 triple critical to the Vanguard.
43 triple critical.
Yeah.
Just check how many crits you've seen.
There's 1 in damage.
1 in damage. Surprisingly, you're seeing 2 little criticals from my
Yeah. I've
How
been
many?
seeing mini
43?
triggers. Yep.
33. 53.
What, 53 is one to pass, right? Yeah.
No pass.
Can I hit heal triggers? Nope, but I can hit absolutely nothing.
It's okay, I can't delete.
That doesn't help my survivability. F it. 23 to Vanguard.
23. No go. Draw a trigger. Draw a card.
This sack.
Stay in control.
You thought that didn't
I just wanted to give you the face. Ride. Twin drive. First check. Second check. All effects to Jirga.
How have you been hitting triggers this entire time?
Jirga.
Where are my heal triggers?
Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
There's all of my critical triggers.
And I'm out. This is why I'm the champion.